The summer is gone, but my heart is still here. How can we forget those Saturday nights after watching the sunset go away? Sitting by the river in dim light, you were close to me, girl. Was nothing to worry about, nothing to worry about.